Lucky charms are known to bring luck, protections, happiness, and success to each owner. These types of jewelry is available in the form of necklace, bracelets, rings, keychains, and amulets. Many others, a few examples, the horseshoe, a symbol of luck and protection that would repel evil spirits. If the horseshoe points upwards, it will brings you luck, but if you point it downwards, it will protect you. And also example, the four left clover is a symbol of luck and prosperity. The cross also a religious symbol that brings protections and blessings to each owner. But there are also countless others such as the ladybug that would predict the weather as well as be a divine messenger, or the Buddha for Buddhists. Personalized jewelry, like us, we also sell lucky jewels are generally personalized according to the preferences of each person and their cultural or religious beliefs. Some people optional for jewelry with gems that are said to have healing powers or spiritual properties, such as amethyst for serenity or agate for stability, especially for finances. Others will option for evil eye, yung mata na nagkukos ng hindi maganda. Evil eye necklace, which purpose is to be protected from negative energy, often coming from close people who are unconsciously jealous of you. The meaning of lucky charm will depend on the culture and beliefs of each person. So, lucky stones, for example, many stones are known to bring good luck. Among them, the most famous are citrine, aventurine, tiger's eye, malachite, and agate. First of all, citrine, a yellow to orange quartz, would help to develop one's balance and creativity and self-confidence. And also the aventurine quartz with fascite inclusions would act on sleep, stress, and self-confidence. And also a tiger eye, a quartz with inclusions of golden crucidulite would help relax, protect, and send away bad vibes. And also malachite, a green hydrated copper carbonate, would act on self-confidence, anxiety, and sleep disorders. Finally, agate azun chalcedony would have an effect on sleep, stress, and bad influence. And what about you? Are you superstitious? Do you have a lucky charm right now? If you're looking for one, don't hesitate to discover Gian Monleon's Lucky Charms has to offer in our online store or in our physical store. We also have available for free giveaways if you share our live, our Diwata of Good Fortune. So plan send us an email or watch us with our Facebook page or send your inquiry with your desired photos of Pampaswerte. So contact us in Monleon Charms It and please like and subscribe our Mucha Diwata. Please don't forget to share, and then pag aabot po tayo ng 20,000 followers ay lahat po ay mapagbibigyan ng free po pampaswerte na kagaanan po sa buhay ang ibibigay. So your work, to your business, at sa pang everyday living. Thank you po. Follow for more.